Finding a planter that looks good, works well indoors, and gives your succulents more light can be tricky. That's why this Grow Glow planter is such a great option. I'm gonna tell you why it's so great and show you how it works. When you open up your Grow Glow planter, you will find 3 different pieces: the base, the pole, and the light. It's really simple to put together. You just want to start by loosening up the screws where you insert the pole. Once those are loosened, you can slide the pole in. Then gently tighten the screws to hold the pole in place. And the great thing is the height is really adjustable. So if you want it taller, you can put the pole in a little bit higher. If you want it shorter, you can have the pole in lower. Next, you'll put the light on top. Just slide it down over the pole and then again, gently tighten the screw. The great thing about this light is it's really easily adjustable. You can slide it up and down the pole so that if you're growing succulents maybe from seed, you can have those in and have the light lower, or as your succulents get taller, you can raise the light up higher. Then you can simply plug the Grow Glow planter into the wall and the light will turn on. If you want the light to be on a timer, simply use a timer on your outlet and plug the planter into it. Once you have the Grow Glow planter assembled, it's time to add your succulents. For this particular planter, you don't want to plant directly in the base. You want to put your succulents in another pot because this doesn't have a drainage hole, so it's not ideal for planting succulents directly in it. So I've decided to plant my succulents in a terracotta pot in some Bonsai Jack soil. That way it'll drain really well and the water will dry quickly. Then you simply put the pot inside your planter. I've found it's easiest to have the light removed when I'm putting the pot inside. Now you'll notice that my succulents just barely show above the rim of the planter. I wanted it that way because I want it to look like the plants are growing in the Grow Glow planter, and I didn't want to be able to see the terracotta pot. But you could also buy the shallow version of the planter so that you can see your pot better, or use a taller pot. Then I'm gonna put the light back on, and it's ready to go. Because my succulents aren't very tall yet, I could put the light down lower so that they get more light from the grow light. I'll still want to plant them by a window or somewhere with bright sunlight throughout most of the day to prevent stretching, but the grow light here will really help keep everything looking compact and maintain its original shape. Another thing that's really fun about the Grow Glow planters is you can actually attach them to the wall. So if you don't have room on your desk or on your counter for the succulents and the planter, you can simply attach them to the wall. And the planter comes with instructions to show you how to do that. The Grow Glow planter is a really great option for planting succulents indoors. If you need somewhere that has a grow light, but you don't have a lot of space and you want it to look really good, it's a great solution. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with all of your succulent loving friends. And we'll see you in the next video.